YouTube, what's happening? What it is, what it do, man? Welcome back to a brand new episode of One in This TV. This is your boy. You see the bar, you see the skew. Without further ado, oh, 200. Without further ado, let's get up, man.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face on just to show.
So fresh about the bar, okay, is none other than the black and infrared Lebron James. You feel? Do you feel me? Is your why? You got to know that. But anyway, okay, let's get it, man. So the first thing you notice on these guys is that T-zone, that Lebron tongue, which both tongues are the exact same. They have that embossed 2-3. LeBron is in white, 2-3 is in red. Crown logo as well. And moving along down, lace locks are in the Dunk Man. Not Jump Man, but Dunk Man. It is following along with that King Lion, which are identical on both pair with the red eyes, flat black laces do come in these, and then you have pretty much that knitted upper. I don't say fly knit, I don't really, I'm just gonna say knitted upper. Then moving along to the side panel of these guys, we have all black drip upper with hints of that infrared, which do seek throughout all of the upper on these guys. Make sure that picks up nice for you guys. Then following along with that midsole check in white, midsole accents, midsole in black. Then air bubble, which is in red. Now, take a look at that outsole on these guys. Got a half and half. Black is on the first half of the outsole. Then following along with that red on the rest of it. Ending off with the LeBron James logo at the bottom. Then take a look at the back end. Yes, sir. These are clean, in my opinion. You did. Down below, ladies and gentlemen, leave your thoughts, comments, and opinions on these LeBron James. You feel me? Infrared joint. You did. So, real quick, before we do head out, because I feel like I gave y'all a pretty in-depth, quick look. Don't want to waste too much of y'all time. I feel like these are gas. These are definitely dope. Before I go, I would love to show you guys that insole. Insole says LeBron. And you got all your specs and everything else. And looking at the opposite shoe, same thing, LeBron in the inside. All those good specs you did. But in my opinion, these are dope. These are gas. Definitely one of the 5 LeBron. This LeBron 17 model is dope to me. But down below, leave your thoughts, comments, and opinions. This has been your boy, Sneakerhead, Money Mitch. Give you a quick look at the LeBron James 17 black and infrared joints. Other than that, it's been your boy. Tell you as always, make sure at the end of the day, everybody like what you rock and rock what you like. It's your boy Money Mitch, screaming cha-ching, gang gang, I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face on